Stopping, guys. Let's everybody in the back go ahead and move up with the rest of the crowd. Just clear the sidewalk for our neighbors who are trying to pass by. If you guys ever wouldn't mind, just 2 steps up to that line of water. Come on up, thing on the ground. Looks like a line of water. It is in fact water on the ground. Thanks for scooting in. All right, man. How's everybody feeling? Whew! Come on, people. All right, man. You guys are wild. I got a 2-song show for you today. 2 songs, 2 one-man band machines to start. Old school one-man band. I'm just gonna share with you some history, and then I'll show you where I'm taking the art form. Full set of drums, guitar, bass guitar, keyboard, and a vocal for the finale at the same time. That's the entire show. A little country, a little rock and roll. You guys, let me know you're with me. Give me a real cheer. 1, 2, 3. All right, songs by Johnny Cash.
Well, I see that train coming, it's rolling around the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when I'm still looking for some prison sound he's taking on. That train keeps rolling down to San Antonio.
Thank you. All right. You guys ready for this finale? Say yeah. You want to play? $5. I'll sell it to you. Just while I'm taking this machine off, my name's Wilson. I'm a maker of musical apparatus from Kansas. Hello, everybody. My whole family's here today. I designed and built all this stuff. A giant box, a big machine over here, crazy guitar. These are original designs. In high school, I'd approached some very wealthy people to try to find funding for the projects. Didn't find funding through traditional means, so I put a drum on my back, went out to the street. A few thousand shows later, back to Kansas. The big machine is a pile of scrap metal that chopped up and welded together. You guys don't look impressed with my story. So, these are not robots. Nothing is automated. I achieve the drum beats by performing multiple pedals at the same time, mostly with my right foot. When I play faster, my left foot's coming in, the right foot holds down the beat. Even a very simple drum beat like this requires a traditional drummer, both hands and both feet. Drummer's right foot performs the bass drum, left foot opens and closes the hi-hats, right hand plays the hi-hats and the crash, drummer's left hand plays the snare. That's my right foot and 5 pedals. That's so much cheering, my God. Hold back a little bit, people. Up here we got a combination instrument, guitar, bass guitar, mini keyboard. The bass neck is flipped upside down. Strings are on the back of the instrument. I'm gonna play the bass line with my thumb.
A little bass line with my thumb while I strum the guitar with my other thumb.
Save the most difficult part for last. Into the song, keyboard with the 4 fingers of my right hand while I strum guitar with my thumb, bass line with the other thumb, drums with my feet, and I'll sing.